So Anthropic, the maker of Claude AI, just opened up their Fellows program, and it pays $15,000 a month just to use Claude. Now I'm going to go over some of the details, and I'll also will put the link in the description to the application. So as you can see, this is titled Anthropic Fellows Program, and it is remote friendly. Now, before I go through this entire thing, there's something that I want to point out. We encourage you to apply even if you do not believe you meet every single qualification. Not all strong candidates will meet every single qualification as listed. Research shows that people who identify as being from underrepresented groups are more prone to experiencing imposter syndrome and doubting the strength of their candidacy. So we urge you not to exclude yourself prematurely and to submit an application if you're interested in this work. We think AI systems like the ones we're building have enormous social and ethical implications. We think this makes representation even more important, and we strive to include a range of diverse perspectives on our team. Now, let's start with the compensation. So the base compensation is $3,850 USD, and it is a 40-hour work week, and it goes on for 4 months with the possibility of having an extension. What they're looking for, okay? They're looking for AI safety fellows, AI security fellows, ML systems and performance fellows, reinforcement learning fellows, and economic fellows, okay? And obviously you can copy and paste this in the Chat GPT or Claude if you don't know what that means. But I'm just going over some of the things that they have put out, okay? Now, across the work streams, you may be a good fit if you are motivated by making sure AI is safe and beneficial for society as a whole. If you are excited to transition into empirical AI research and will be interested in a full-time role at Anthropic, you have a strong technical background in computer science, mathematics, or physics, if you thrive in fast-paced collaborative environments, and you can implement ideas quickly and communicate clearly. Now, they identify a strong candidate as somebody that has a background in a discipline relevant to a specific fellow workstream, economics, social sciences, or cybersecurity, and somebody that is experienced in areas of research or engineering related to their workstream. It's kind of odd how they have this set up. It says candidates must be fluent in Python programming and available to work full-time on the fellows program. After saying this, if you actually scroll down into each individual cohort, their minimum requirements are actually different than being fluent in Python programming, which most people aren't that are probably watching this video. They have the actual minimums listed within each cohort. And one minimum, and the minimum that I saw from reading this, is that you must have at least some form of a bachelor's degree. So this is called the Fellows Program. I just wanted to just put this out there for you all. You never know. Obviously, they have their requirements, and they'll probably let you know if you don't qualify for it. But it's worth giving a shot, especially since the application is really, really short. This is what the application itself looks like. There's not really a lot to fill out here, in my opinion. I've seen longer applications, but it's definitely something that you can do in, several minutes, especially if you have a copy of your resume, you have a copy of your degree, if that applies to you, or any coursework that you've completed. So I'll put the link to all of this down in the description, but I just wanted to just give it to you all because it's something that may actually help somebody. Thanks for watching.